I just believe it's simple math. And at this point where we are with Zebic Network, this is not a gamble. This is not that gamble at all. Matter of fact, if you're so confident enough to put that kind of money into something like an XRP, where Zebic has positioned themselves now, you should be that comfortable putting that kind of money in something like a ZBCN and not worry about it, just based on all of the accomplishments that they've made up to this point. But again, you should also look at your parents' age to gauge on how much time do you have. Time is, for a lot of people, is not on their side, and that's bar accidents or anything like that happening. I'm talking about natural causes. You know, you get one life, live it to the best and take the risk.